Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. When we determine the meaning of space with certainty, we will have no cause for delusion, so we will not be deluded. We have nothing to visualize within our minds. We have nothing to practice. Do not abide in a middle. Do not reject any extremes. Do not conceptualize. Do not be still. Do not think about anything. Not thinking and not following, we are inherently at peace. In the space of the mind, there is no self or other. In the space of samadhi, there is no distraction. In the space of practice, there is no rejection or acceptance. In the space of equanimity, there is no great or small. In the space of a circle, there is no expansion or contraction. In the space of a view, we have no planetary fixations. In the space of our good works, we have no duty or quest. In the space of our understanding, we have no taking in or holding on. Our totality is also a space of great wisdom. The spaciousness of space has the nature of the sky. Any manifest miracles that may occur, we understand to be the thusness of great wisdom. The essence of our view is not to be discussed. Our samadhi is clear. We are not distracted. We practice without grasping or attachment. Anyone who understands things like this is a Buddha. This is sure. The 6 classes of living things are Buddhas. It is sure that our own minds are the Dharmakāya, without our seeking it. It is sure that everyone is a great spirit. Once we have found certainty, it is not possible that we change.